Hello everybody, Blaze Lantern here and welcome to an unboxing of Magic and Gathering. The bundle box, I guess. This is similar to the Elite box of Pokemon. I was interested in Magic and Gathering, and since this have a guide, I thought this would be good. Anyway, let's turn this box around because this will tell you what you get. You get a player guide with the encyclopedia, which I will be reading. Rival of Ixalan card box. I guess since this is a card box, I could use this as a storage box as well. 80s card basic land pack. Spin down life counter. And max quick reference cards. Not pictured. Okay. Anywho, as always, let's just get to it. First, we just toss everything out. Boom. This is an empty box with. Okay. Guess this is a speller. And now we just. Of course, the guide. This is actually quite hefty. Okay. Guess I'm taking, and now let's see what the content is. We got our, this should be the land. And if, whoever plays Magic and Gathering, feel free to correct me, because I am a complete and utter noob when it comes to this. So let's just take a look at this. Hefty thing. So the basic land set, I guess. There's swamp. Okay, it says speed through this since we're gonna be all here all day, since I can't not. Okay, so we get the picture. So there's all the different islands and land. Okay. Okay, they're roughly all the same. Okay, cool. Let's put that to the side. And what else is in this box? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And yes, I know to tell me how many boosters in the box, but I tend to not trust what boxes say. And we got a dice. Since they could sometimes be wrong, or maybe they just pack it wrong or something. So that's all in the box. So now let's just open up the booster packs. And let's just put this right there. Boom. Okay. First pack we opening, we get that dude, a pirate. Oops. Going through all this. Okay. Water not. Okay. Interesting. And okay. First pack. Second pack. Says Why do I always have trouble with booster packs? Okay, next pack we got that. Okay. Colossal. Shade. That's an interesting looking card. Ooh, we have a sparkly. I like shiny. This is a Shade Bearer. Okay, cool. So that might be a rare. Also, feel free to tell me what is a rare on the down below, because I have no idea. There's the next pack. Okay, now we opening up another pack. Anywho, going that. A dinosaur spitting acid, okay, the knight. Orc, okay, someone getting strangled by water, okay. And mutiny, someone getting betrayed. They sunk the battleship, glimmering barrier, okay. 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 We got a swamp card. Don't think another boom. Okay. And now that's that. Now we grab another card and then we open it up. And then we got Crossing Tides. More dinosaurs. They're like a plant trap type thing. Recoveries. Okay. Same thing. Dinosaur head. Gruesome fate. Huh, okay. That's an interesting. Secrets. Single-born pioneer. And they're like a plant lady. And more plant people. Dinosaur. Sadistic sky marcher. Okay. Something. Land. Merfolks. Okay. That's yeah. Yeah. Okay. Random Fleet Border. Okay. That's an interesting badger, wolf, dinosaur thing. Interesting. More of the skulls. Squire, but kind of more look at this, more like they look like vampires or of some sort. Okay. Anyway. Gruesome Fate, we got that again. Blazing Hope. Flying Man. Deadeye Brawler. Okay. Golden Guardian. And Treasure. Okie dokie. let's just continue on with this. Let's see what we have. We got a free footer, okay. Something in. Miss Croak, plant lady, more plant people. I don't know, they just look like plant, more orc. Someone getting stabbed by light. The secrets, skulls. Someone trying to be scary. Overgrown. Into the unknown. Let's plunder. Okay. Okay. Swamp. Okay. Anywho, because let's continue on. We just gonna continue on. We just open up packs. Have fun and all that. Versus looking at pretty cards. Because why not? Dusk Legion. More vampire looking people. Fire away! Sunhorn, okay. The pirate version of something. Traveler Amulet, okay. Woodland Stream. Reckless Raids, okay. Swift Warden. Champion of Dusk. Okay, Forest. And the most special card, Minecraft, a Magic and Gathering. And I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to discard the the last back of the card. Okay, let's just do that then. Complete and, as I said, I'm a complete and utter noob when it comes to opening card game. Magic and Gathering. So I do not know if I get a gold puzzle or not. You know. Sea legs. Some collateral damage. Legion, okay. More plant people. Vampire people. Oh, that is vampire. Okay, cool. Okay. And a regular version of the Jade Bearer. Okay, so there could be a foil card of one card and non-foil cards. Okay, good to know. And then we got a rabbit dinosaur. A flying dinosaur. We got some dude. We got a land of water. And we are down to our last two packs. So, have we gotten anything good? I do not know. But I said, okay. Do not. I'm gonna boom. Discard the back card. Okay. Moment of triumph. Yeah. Okay. Laser. Barrier. Sky Martyr. Cleansing Light. We got that again. The Bravado. Ooh, Monkey Man. Mystic. Actually, really, I really enjoyed the artwork on these cards. Anyway, let's continue on. And there we go. And our final pack. buttered. Okay. Gleaming barrier. Okay. Man stabbed at a thing. Okay. It's Sugarborns. The Forsaken City. I think we never got that one. That looks interesting. Warrunner. Camp Gun. The Summoner. Mountains. And the last treasure thing. This is, I guess, the card thingy. Anywho, that was that. Hope you enjoyed that. I am definitely interested in the set cards game. So I'll probably look into it. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.